Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a combat system in Roblox Studio. Okay, first things first, open Roblox Studio and access your toolbox. Go to My Models and insert the model you have obtained. You can also copy the model from the link that is flashed on your screen. After that, just confirm the prompt that mentions the combat system, including two scripts, and click OK. Ungroup the model by right-clicking and selecting Ungroup. Upload also the two animations by right-clicking and choosing Save to Roblox. Upload the animations as prompted. Copy the ID for left punch animation and then open your starter GUI and paste the animation ID under the appropriate category. Copy the ID for right punch animation. Paste the right punch animation ID in the starter GUI as well. Move the assets then to their respective places. Animation to replicated storage, server script to server script service, and UI to storage in the Explorer. Press also Ctrl plus U to ungroup and regroup. Click to play to test the game, ensuring it's set to R6 in game settings. Observe the punch animations in action, and optionally add NPCs by searching for models such as noob NPC or any prompt NPC that you want to add, and insert them into the game if you must. And that's it. Hopefully that solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make a combat system in Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.